Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Today, we're taking a look at Mintos, a popular platform found at mintos.com. This online marketplace connects borrowers with investors, offering a range of investment opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey, Mintos provides a streamlined experience for accessing various loan types from different loan originators across the globe. Their website, mintos.com, acts as the central hub for all your investment activities. Navigating the Mintos platform is designed to be user-friendly. The website offers a clear and concise overview of available investment products. You can explore different loan offerings, compare interest rates, and assess the risk levels associated with each investment. Mintos emphasizes transparency, providing detailed information about the loan originators and the borrowers they represent. This allows investors to make informed decisions based on their individual risk tolerance and investment goals. One of the key features of Mintos is its diversified investment options. You can spread your investments across various loan types, including personal loans, business loans, and car loans. This diversification helps mitigate risk and potentially optimize returns. Furthermore, Mintos offers investments in loans from different geographical regions, adding another layer of diversification to your portfolio. This global reach allows you to tap into diverse markets and potentially benefit from varying economic conditions. Mintos.com also provides tools and resources to help you manage your investments effectively. You can track your portfolio's performance, monitor outstanding loans, and reinvest earned interest. The platform offers automated investment strategies, allowing you to customize your investment approach based on your preferences. For example, you can set criteria for the types of loans you want to invest in, the desired interest rates, and the level of risk you're comfortable with. Before investing, be sure to thoroughly research and understand the risks involved. While Mintos offers a convenient and potentially rewarding investment platform, it's crucial to remember that all investments carry a degree of risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and it's essential to carefully consider your own financial situation and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. Be sure to visit mintos.com to learn more and explore the platform yourself.